Hey everyone! Are you ready for delivery day? It's such a special time, full of anticipation, and maybe just a little bit of nerves. We're here to make sure you feel prepared and ready for anything. Today, I'll walk you through the must-have items to pack in your hospital bag for a smooth and stress-free experience. We're talking about all those little essentials that'll make your stay at the hospital feel a little more like home and a lot less stressful. Think of it as creating a little haven of peace and comfort right there in your hospital room. You've got this, Mama. First things first, let's talk about the practical stuff. You know, the paperwork that makes the world go round. Before you get caught up in packing those adorable baby booties, make sure to grab your ID, insurance card, and a copy of your birth plan. It's easy to overlook these things in the excitement, but believe me, having them all organized and ready to go will give you such peace of mind when you arrive at the hospital. Just pop them in a special folder or pouch, and you're good to go. Okay, now let's talk about making you feel as comfortable as possible during labor. This is where those cozy touches really come in handy. Pack a soft, plush robe that makes you feel pampered and a pair of non-slip socks to keep your feet warm. Trust me, hospital floors can be chilly. And don't forget those little things that make a world of difference. Lip balm for dry lips, hair ties to keep your hair out of your face, and maybe even a soothing eye mask to block out the light. Once your little bundle of joy arrives, you'll want to focus on rest and recovery. Pack loose, comfortable clothing that feels gentle on your body. A nursing-friendly nightgown or pajamas are perfect for those first few days. And don't forget comfortable underwear. You'll want something soft and breathable. This isn't the time for anything restrictive. Think soft fabrics and easy access for nursing. You deserve to feel comfortable and cared for as you recover. Chapter 4. Essentials for baby welcoming your little one in style. Now, let's talk about packing for the guest of honor. For your little one, pack a couple of adorable baby outfits. Choose soft, breathable fabrics that are gentle on their delicate skin. A swaddle or two is essential for keeping your newborn feeling secure and snug. And don't forget a cozy hat to keep their head warm, especially if it's chilly outside. You'll also want to pack diapers and wipes, although many hospitals do provide these. It's always good to be prepared. Chapter 5. Electronics and entertainment. Staying connected and content. Labor and delivery can be a waiting game, so it's a good idea to pack a few things to help you relax and pass the time. Don't forget your phone charger. You'll want to capture those precious first moments with your little one. Headphones are also key, allowing you to listen to music or watch a movie without disturbing others. Speaking of movies, consider bringing a tablet loaded with your favorite shows or books. It's amazing how a little entertainment can make those quiet moments fly by. Chapter 6. Snacks and drinks, nourishing yourself for the journey. Hospital food isn't exactly known for its gourmet appeal, is it? That's why it's so important to pack your own snacks and drinks to keep you fueled and hydrated. Think about what sounds good to you. Granola bars, crackers, dried fruit, or even some of your favorite candies. And of course, don't forget a big water bottle to stay hydrated throughout labor and delivery. It's amazing how much better you feel when you're taking care of yourself. Chapter 7. Going home outfit, the perfect welcome home ensemble. And finally, let's talk about the outfit you'll wear home with your little one, the first outfit your baby will wear out in the world. For yourself, choose something comfortable and practical. Think soft, loose-fitting clothes that are easy to get on and off. And for your baby, a sweet and simple outfit is perfect. A soft onesie, a hat, and maybe a little cardigan if it's chilly are all you need. You'll cherish the photos of this special moment forever. Outrow ready for anything. That's it. With these essentials in your hospital bag, you'll be ready for delivery day. Just think, you're about to meet the newest love of your life. Enjoy these precious moments, soak it all in, and don't forget to take care of yourself. We're so excited for you as you embark on this incredible journey of parenthood. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips for your pregnancy journey.